Hello everyone, in this video I'll be translating and summarizing the latest Urdu broadcast by Imran Riaz Khan to make it accessible for our English-speaking audience. Let's go through the key developments and insights in Imran Riaz Khan's words. Viewers, first let's talk about the news I mentioned earlier. Imran Khan's case was scheduled in the Islamabad High Court. His lawyers were claiming that if Imran Khan gets bail today, there would be no issue and he would be released. They had asserted that nothing could stop his release if bail was granted. But what happened is exactly what I'd warned you about. As long as Chief Justice Sarfraz Dogar is in the Islamabad High Court, the establishment, or Imran Khan's enemies, have nothing to worry about. Because Justice Dogar appears willing to go to any length to serve the establishment. What happened was that when Imran Khan's hearing began, first of all, a curfew-like situation was imposed outside. It looked as if martial law had been imposed at the Islamabad High Court. Extra police deployment, barbed wire, tight security arrangements. Journalists and even lawyers were being prevented from entering. Some journalists, like Sami Ibrahim and others, managed to get in and started recording their reports. But then staff and security came in and told them that recording wasn't allowed, even though this was outside the courtroom in an area where journalists normally talk and report. When the reporters objected and asked why they couldn't work there, they were told, "Orders from the SP." The journalists replied, "This is a court not under SP jurisdiction. The judge should be the authority here." The response was, "The judge has ordered that no work is to be done here." So essentially, a form of martial law was imposed. The same Islamabad High Court from which a former Prime Minister like Imran Khan can be abducted by rangers. But the media is not allowed to cover anything there. This is martial law, nothing else. When the hearing began, PTI had high hopes. They thought something positive might happen today, but suddenly they were told that the prosecutor is sick. No medical report, no documentation, just a statement that the prosecutor is ill and can't appear. Normally when someone is sick, the judge gives a short adjournment, maybe a day or two. If it's a government prosecutor, another one can be sent. The government doesn't stop functioning due to one person's absence, but no alternative was sent, just a statement. The prosecutor is sick. The judge then said, "We can't proceed today. We'll consult and let you know the next date in 5 minutes. Everyone expected a short adjournment, maybe 2 or 3 days, but when Justice Dogar returned after consultation in chambers, he announced the next hearing would be October 16th. What's today? September 25th. This case came up after 8 or 9 months, and now it's being delayed for another 3 weeks. This is the state of justice in the Islamabad High Court. If a retired general shows up, the court delivers a verdict within 24 hours on demand. It seems like this court operates like a shop, deciding cases based on profit and loss. Wherever benefit lies, they act. Wherever there's risk, they avoid it. And the judges appear to be completely submissive to the establishment. It's unfortunate to have to say this, but I'm telling you the truth. This isn't just one case. Another matter is also pending. Imran Khan's acquittal request in the Toshakhana case, which has now been scheduled for October 7th. Imran Khan and his wife had already filed for acquittal, arguing there are grounds for it. But now the timeline clearly suggests that both Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi will be sentenced in Toshakhana too before October 7th. Once that happens, the October 7th hearing will become irrelevant. Then the Al-Qadir Trust case will come up in Islamabad High Court, where eventually Imran Khan might get bail. So essentially the military establishment has made complete arrangements to keep Imran Khan in jail. There's another update regarding Imran Khan's video link hearings. Salman Akram Raja revealed what's happening behind the scenes. A petition was filed against holding Imran Khan's hearings via video link. The hearing on that petition was scheduled. Salman Akram Raja and Latif Khosa went to meet the senior judge to ask why the hearing wasn't happening. The additional registrar was summoned, and he told them the file is missing. The judge said, until the file is found, no hearing can take place. Just think about what we're facing. Sometimes the prosecutor gets sick, sometimes files go missing, sometimes judges go on leave. If they want to fast-track Imran Khan's trial and he's outside jail, courts are held daily. But if the aim is to delay his matters, then these excuses are used. Sometimes, on the establishment's orders, trials are held until midnight, even inside jail. And at other times, judges take 6 to 8 months just to schedule a case. This entire system is working like a conspiracy to keep Imran Khan behind bars, and we're witnessing it happen. It's becoming part of history, and the judiciary's history is being distorted in the process. Regarding the round-table conference that was supposed to happen this morning, a heavy police presence was deployed there too, in an attempt to sabotage it. But the lawyers still gathered. Most of them were former presidents of the Supreme Court Bar Association, along with senior journalists who cover the Supreme Court and High Courts. People like Sadakat Jan, Matiullah Jan and Saqib Bashir were there. The journalists also addressed the round table because they've been covering the judiciary for a long time. They're part of the story. There were a few very important things said there. Siddique Jan made some powerful points, may God protect him. First, he said earlier it used to be about getting a good lawyer, then it became, why hire a lawyer, just have a judge. Now it's, if you have a connection with the sector commander, the decision will go in your favour. That's the current state of the judiciary, where a colonel or brigadier dictates what verdicts judges should give. Second, Siddique Jan addressed the senior lawyers and said, you are all responsible for the hopelessness and decay in the judiciary. You didn't raise your voices when you should have. And a few years from now, when young lawyers look back and see how ruined the judiciary has become, they will not blame the judges. They will blame you. This responsibility is on your shoulders. He added, instead of doing this round table in this hall, you should have done it in front of the Supreme Court's doors. Matiullah Jan also spoke about how the judiciary is being manipulated. Then came a very important statement from Hamid Khan. He said, we said on day one that after the 26th constitutional amendment, there will be no constitution and no judiciary left in this country. We've been watching this for 50 years through General Ayub, General Zia, General Musharraf. But the current generals are 2 steps ahead of even them. People like General Asim Munir are pulling the strings. Whether it's the president or prime minister, they are puppets dancing to the general's tune. That's what Advocate Hamid Khan said. More statements are coming in, and I'll read the official declaration of this round-table conference for you next week. This round-table is a major development, and the matter won't stop here. It will continue to move forward, and we'll see it unfold. Viewers, 2 major developments have emerged from Adiala jail regarding Imran Khan. I will share both with you. First, Imran Khan has publicly expressed his stance on his Twitter account. There are some people in Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf or PTI, who belong to Imran Khan's party, who take votes in Imran Khan's name. These people nowadays are also slightly criticizing Imran Khan's Twitter account to some extent. They say that this should be done cautiously, that should be done, and so on. Everyone has their own political opinion, and everyone has the right to express their views. It's not that if something is wrong, no one has the right to say it. Maybe for that person, that view is correct. But since Imran Khan himself owns his Twitter account, his own account on X, formerly Twitter, he is the master of it, so he will tell what he wants to do with it. The real statement is from Imran Khan himself. When a journalist in jail asked him a question about his Twitter account, Imran Khan's reply was very strong. A journalist in Adiala jail asked, who manages your Twitter account? Your Twitter account is making statements against the state. The words used in this Twitter account are very harsh. To this question, Imran Khan replied, it is my own account. The messages I send are the messages issued from my account. It is clear that whatever I send, the message is released from my Twitter account. I'm not a slave of Asim Munir. I'm a free man. Whatever my heart desires, I will say it. Now you go ahead and run my message. It is my Twitter account. I will run it as my heart desires. Then Imran Khan challenged the journalist. Now run my message. If you have the courage, you will run my message. The poor journalist couldn't run it anywhere. The news didn't come out. That poor journalist went outside and sat quietly. He said, don't let anyone know about this. Later, Imran Khan's sister and others confirmed that this is what happened inside the jail. So inside the jail, now journalists are even misbehaving with Imran Khan. I'm telling you this. Kamar Markan has reported this. I will read it out to you exactly as he wrote. Kamar Merkin says that yesterday, during the hearing of the Toshakhana 2 case, while talking to journalists, a journalist associated with GNN, Ijaz Ahmed, misbehaved with Imran Khan. Imran Khan smiled and told the journalist to leave the courtroom. Imran Khan also told the jail administration to remove that journalist from the courtroom. When Imran Khan ignored and didn't respond to the journalist's attention-seeking, Ijaz Ahmed started misbehaving with Imran Khan. To this, Imran Khan told the journalist, "I know that you and 3 or 4 other journalists come inside with the colonel's permission. You misbehave in front of the colonel to gain favor. This is not journalism, this is baseness. Just imagine, a former prime minister is imprisoned inside jail. The public is not allowed to meet him. People can't even hear his voice, and people inside the jail misbehave with such a man who has been completely cornered and oppressed by the entire system. What status do these people have to misbehave with such a big man? But look, viewers, this country had to see such a situation that if Imran Khan is anti-establishment, then from different corners, people are made to speak against him. They are made to misbehave with him. Kamar Merkin further writes that before this, Ansharaj and Tayyab Balok also misbehaved with Imran Khan's sisters in the same manner. So you can imagine what is being done to Imran Khan inside the jail. How angry the establishment is that they are sending people prepared to do this inside. From Kamar Merkin's report, you can clearly understand the situation. But viewers, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf is neither breaking nor weakening. Now look at Falak Javed. Falak Javed is a strong worker of PTI. She was arrested. When she was arrested from Islamabad, her arrest was shown in Lahore. She was presented in court as a 2-time offender. Many people said that because the system is very angry with Falak Javed, this would happen. A picture of Falak Javed was leaked, where she looked a bit worried. But later, when Falak Javed appeared in court, the same smile was on her face as is usually on her sister's face. Just like Aliyah Hamza, Tabaraja, Sanam Javed, Aisha Bhutto, and many other women like Khadija Shah have faced jail with great courage that many men cannot face. Falak Javed's face also reflected that same bravery and courage. Now this woman who has been arrested, Falak Javed, will also prove costly for the establishment. What is the establishment doing? These are fools. I had said that for the first time. You have encountered people who will stand up to you. Until now, you have never fought the middle class. You have always fought the clergy, or those who are uneducated, who live in the mountains and lack resources. You have fought them. Or you have fought an elite class, born with a silver spoon, who panic at small troubles. For the first time, you are fighting with Pakistan's middle class. They will give you a tough fight. I said this, and the middle class is giving a tough fight. Today, the establishment is deeply worried. They do not know whom to catch or what to do. Now Falak Javed will also challenge the establishment. That's what I see. I saw it in her eyes and face. What I understand is that she is no less than her sister. She will also become a cause of trouble for them. Anyway, it's their own decisions. They continue to make decisions and expose themselves. Imran Khan said one more thing from jail. This is a slap on the faces of all those people who do propaganda. Sometimes someone plays the Qadiani card, sometimes the religion card, sometimes other things. Some people try to mislead. Imran Khan's statement from jail is that if he had known about Mission Noor, he would have also given the call to prayer, the azan. This was what Imran Khan said. So, 2 things became clear. First, Imran Khan himself would have been part of it. If he had known about Mission Noor, he would definitely have given azan. Second, it is confirmed that Imran Khan is being kept in such an environment that such an important campaign as Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf carried out for a month was going on, and Imran Khan did not even know about it in jail. Now, viewers, a third report came via Shahid Afridi about Gulzafar Khan. I want to read it because Shahid Afridi keeps fooling the public repeatedly and wants to become like Imran Khan, that he gets the same respect as Imran Khan. Look, if Imran Khan did something wrong, then I am also doing the same. If Imran Khan was like this, then I am also like this. They really want to become Imran Khan, get a fan club like Imran Khan, or become a great leader like him. Now just check this. But Shahid Afridi is standing on the wrong side of history. What does Gulzafar Khan say? He says that Shahid Afridi was asked a question at a press conference about the condemnation of the martyrdom of children in the bombing in Wadi Atira. In response, Shahid Afridi did not condemn it at all. Remember, Shahid Afridi belongs to the district where 32 people have already been martyred in that bombing. Standing with the oppressed in times of difficulty is a sign of dignity. Gulzafar Khan is a leader of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and he said this. Now, see what the matter is. If Shahid Afridi's issue was small, like a mistake of the provincial government or someone else, he would immediately stand with full strength. But when the establishment is involved, his jealousy starts. He wants to be Imran Khan, but there is a world of difference. Imran Khan from day one had the courage to call wrong what is wrong. So Imran Khan said it was wrong. Imran Khan did not become what he is because of the establishment. Imran Khan first sided with the establishment. He needs to say, what is wrong is wrong. The current Azri Taut, modern propagandist, cannot think beyond the four walls of a boot, a military boot. He is confined inside the boot box. He cannot think outside. Many people face such a situation. I think Shahid Afridi is one of them. Viewers, some negotiations have taken place between Awami Action Committee and the government. Remember the Awami Action Committee of Azad Kashmir, because their day is approaching. On the 27th, there is a Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf gathering. On the 29th, the Awami Action Committee is going to launch a big protest campaign in Azad Kashmir. For the government, this is a huge problem. For the establishment too. Earlier, the establishment tried all their weapons, gathered all their spent bullets, and told them to hold a rally. There were more men on stage than in the rally ground. 90% of the seats were empty. 5 prime ministers were gathered by the establishment, but together they couldn't gather even 500 people. So the rally completely failed. Then they tried to hold a rally with photos of Asim Munir. That rally had only 50 to 60 people, footage was taken by a drone, and they were exposed. So they couldn't compete with the public strength of the Awami Action Committee. Now they think maybe they can control the Awami Action Committee through negotiations. So they sent Tariq Fazal Chowdhury and Amir Muqam to negotiate. They talked, but didn't succeed. The Awami Action Committee is firm on its demands and issues and says it will definitely continue its protest as declared. That wraps up our translation of Imran Riaz Khan's video. I hope this English version helped you understand his message better. Please like, share and subscribe to Awami Lens to help our community grow. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this effort.